In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the NSFW tag on Reddit. This is a really important step if you ever share content that isn't appropriate for all audiences, such as adult content, graphic material, or anything that might not be safe to view at work or in public. Properly tagging your post helps keep the Reddit community safe, and make sure your content reaches the right audience without causing issues for others. Let's walk through the process from the moment you're ready to make a new post. First, open Reddit and navigate to the place where you want to post. This could be your profile, a subreddit you're a member of, or anywhere you normally create posts. Once you're there, look for the option that says Create Post. It's usually a clear button or box that invites you to start writing. Click on Create Post to open up the posting window. After you click Create Post, you'll see a text box where you can enter your title and the body of your post. You might also see options to add images, links, or videos, depending on the type of post you're creating. Before you get too far into writing, take a moment to look just above that main text box. This is where Reddit gives you additional options for your post, including different tags and settings. Among those options, you'll see a button or link that says Add Tags. Go ahead and click on Add Tags. This will open a small menu or panel where you can choose different labels for your post. Tags help describe the nature of your content, and one of the most important ones here is Someone's NSFW, which stands for Not Safe for Work. Inside that tag section, look for the NSFW option. You should see a toggle or switch next to it. To mark your post as NSFW, simply toggle on NSFW. When the switch is turned on, it tells Reddit that your post contains sensitive or adult content. This adds a warning overlay to your post, so people have to click through intentionally to view it. Before you hit post, quickly double check that the NSFW toggle is still on. This ensures your content is properly labeled and keeps you in line with Reddit's rules, and often the rules of individual subreddits as well. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and publish your post, knowing it's clearly and correctly tagged as NSFW.